Welcome back to the channel. It's Mary Z Easy Recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to obtain some lavender oil. I have these two bunches of lavender which have been hanging in the room and giving me that fragrance. But today I'm going to show you how to obtain the lavender oil. All you need is basically three things. You need your lavender, you need this oil. It's called the carrier oil because as the lavender infuses, it will clog itself into this oil. That's what we mean by infusion. So this is what we are going to do. Then you will infuse in a container, special container, which is airtight, of course, and which is sterile, like this kilner jar. Because with the lavender, we're going to use the oil. Maybe you can use it as for aromatherapy, for relaxation. You can infuse the oil, and you can use the oil for, to help you with the sleep. Or you can use the oil as part of your cosmetics. It's all up to you how you want to use the oil. So with these two bunches of lavender, I'm going to show you now. So we need to chip off this thread because it was hanging in the room. So it's time now to collect our lavender oil using a process of infusion. So we have this kilner jar here with us here, and so as we separate the stems, the flower, this stalks, the flower stalks, these ones, we separate them from the real flowers. Sometimes you can take these flowers, these heads, and pound them in a mortar and pestle, but it's all up to you. But today I'm not going to do the pounding. What I'm going to do is just to collect the heads, the flower heads, and then I just, if you want, you can squeeze them further, but remember they can be pricky. So see, because it's dry, you can squeeze further and then throw into your jar. Throw into the kilner jar, the sterile kilner jar. Or you can use a scissors. It's all the same, So let's do it. Here is some which I've already squeezed or collected from the stems. Just pop it into the jar. So let's squeeze this. Break it. Break the heads, the flower heads, or you can use a scissors. We don't want a lot of stems to go into the jar, so you can use the scissors. Just chop off the heads and obtain your lavender flowers. Obtain your awesome lavender flowers. Just squeeze and chop, and you can do this. You can do this as quickly as you want. Just remove the heads. Remove the heads. Let's see how far it goes. Wow, as I'm plucking these heads, I tell you, lavender is an awesome herb. It is full of this fragrance, which is really outstanding. That's why it is also said that lavender can be used as an insect repellent. I think it does work as an insect repellent because the fragrance, wow, it's really awesome. So let's pluck this lavender and prepare the lavender for infusion. I tell you, I wish I could just do this the whole day because I'm really having a great time, smelling this fragrance. Wow, this is awesome. And we keep on collecting. Let's just remove the threads. We're using these threads to hang the lavender. So lavender. Oh my God, this purple flower, this purple herb, I tell you, it's a herb which you can easily grow in your garden. You can grow it in the planters. You can grow it direct on the ground, but when it flowers, then you collect these flowers when they are ready for harvest. This is what I did. I was growing this lavender in my garden, and I had to harvest it, and now is the time. Wow, look at that. It's the time to collect this oil from the lavender plant. So come with me, we continue to obtain the heads, the flower heads, because I said we don't need the stems. All we need is the flower heads. Yeah, it is a good, it's like you are passing your time doing this, a rewarding thing, and at the end, you have the lavender oil. So, I tell you, the fragrance. So please, guys, please subscribe to my channel. And if you subscribe, I'll be really happy and thankful. And it's Mary Z, Easy Recipes, Mary Z. And I'm here to give you really awesome recipes, like this lavender infusion. So you might ask, what's going to happen after I soak this? It's like you are soaking the lavender in oil, in this oil. In this case, it's olive oil. Some people use jojoba oil. There are lots of oils out there you can use. So you soak the lavender there for several weeks. You know what we mean by several weeks. It's quite a long time. I think I'm going to soak this lavender for maybe about, I think I'll soak the lavender for about 8 weeks. So it will be soaking there in the kilner jar, and from time to time I will grab the jar and just give it a shake, and then by doing so, I'm helping the chemical reaction where the lavender will be infusing into the oil, so into the olive oil. So just a shake now and again. You close again the jar, the kilner jar. You let the infusion take place, and it's advisable that if it's sunny, just put the lavender by the windowsill and let the infusion go on. Where there's sunshine, or in a dark cupboard where there's a lot of warmth, that will speed up the infusion. So you have two choices, either in the cupboard, or you can put by the windowsill where the lavender gets a glimpse of the sunshine, and this will help the infusion to take place. See, I'm nearly there. I had 2 bunches of lavender, and I am nearly there. So the other reason I thought of, let me just have the oil, is because I've never infused the lavender. So this is my very first time. The only I got this idea from a friend who had lots of lavender, and she showed me, how to do this infusion. So hence today I am doing it myself. I'm going to infuse the lavender and get lavender oil. Wow, and this is amazing. So let's see how it goes. We are nearly there. We're just plucking the heads, just plucking the heads. It's quite fun, and it is rewarding. I can't stop, smelling this fragrance from the lavender. So guys, remember that, lavender is really a good herb. Lavender is used in cosmetics. Lavender is used as for relaxing, and some people use it as, you know, for aromatherapy. And it is good also, it aids sleep. When you have trouble sleeping, lavender has those qualities of helping you to sleep. And when it comes to cosmetics, it is also a competitor. And the bath oils, bath foams, you know, some of them they have lavender. So look at this immaculate, this amazing herb with its purple color. Wow. So I've just finished plucking now, and this is from the 2 bunches of lavender. Now it is nearly making me, it seems it's going to make me sleep, because the fragrance is so overpowering. And I don't think any insect will come closer now, you know, because of its qualities. This is lavender. So I'm just trying to, you know, to pick the little stalks, the flower stalks, which, you know, which fell into this plate, because we don't want the stalks in the jar. All we need is the buds, these flowers, the blooms, which are now drying up and still overpowering with the fragrance. Wow, this is really awesome. So you will see when I put this lavender in the jar, I will then cover the lavender with the carrier oil. The carrier oil this time is the olive oil, virgin olive oil. So let me give the lavender, I wish I had worn some gloves and it was going to be easier. So I just give the lavender a squish. Let me just squeeze it. It's not really pricky, you know, because I'm doing it gently. So this is the point where if you want, you can use a mortar and pestle. Wow, look at that. Then just remove the fragrance now after the squeeze. I tell you, wow, the fragrance is awesome. Wow. So now we put the lavender into the jar. Put the lavender into the jar. There is our lavender in the jar. There is our lavender in the jar. Look at that. So now the carrier oil is here. This is the carrier oil. We are going to pour the oil and make sure the lavender is covered. There you go. So all our lavender is covered. Look at that. All the lavender is covered. So now we are going to tightly close it. Tightly close. There you go. So I'm going to put it by the windowsill and let the lavender infuse. You know, the infusion is going to take place now. Then after about, I think I'm going to give it maybe 6 to 8 weeks, I'm going to strain or use a cloth to collect the oil and then use the oil. I hope we have enjoyed this infusion, the collecting of lavender oil. Thanks everybody for watching this incredible or this interesting infusion. Thanks everybody for watching this infusion.